Alrighty, we're back here with Anthony. He's gonna show us his 1/24 scale collection of Monster Jam trucks. As you could see, this little guy never keeps them new in the package. He likes taking them out of the package and play with them. Some of them are really old, some of them are like newer. He also threw in a four-wheel drive Impala and a Cadillac. It's no longer in production. A couple grave diggers. That's his all-time favorite right there. The Bigfoot.
And this one. This is one.
And the son of a digger. Mohawk Warrior.
King Crunch.
King Crunch, yep, that's an old school one.
What?
Toro Loco. With no horns. I thought it had the horns.
That's weird.
So this is his collection of 1/24 scale Monster
What?
Jam trucks.
Batman.
Thanks for watching, people.
Stay safe.